Morning, bum dear. You may be wondering why karate has got anything to do with somatic or vagal nerve. Well, in a nutshell, you are shifting energy, and through karate you can give yourself confidence. I suppose when you're facing an opponent, if you can see yourself facing yourself and facing what your challenges are, then slowly and gradually you'll gain confidence. They say about people who've gone through traumas, and that could be physically or mental or both. Or we see incidents where that energy is stored within us, and it's sometimes held uncomfortably in the bowels, in the digestive system, or in your joints. But by moving and shifting these energies, you can actually begin to release the trapped energy and trapped trauma energy. So when I'm doing the karate, and a lot of somatic training is very similar, is you're moving. It can be likened to punching or pushing away, as you've seen me do in some of the training. What you're doing is you're having engagement of your stomach, your body. Maybe you're pushing away. You could do this in water. So if you try swimming, if you're pulling in water with your fingers open, I'm going to change the subject, pulling your fingers through water's going to slip through really quickly. Put your fingers together, you can now push and pull. So you're getting to be aware of your body. But coming back to karate, if you're thinking of blocking, somebody wants to punch you in the face, there's a really good incentive to block that and move. So priority first, that one is to not be there in the first place, see it and disappear. Secondly is that you have to block it, then block it. And we all listen to voices. Everyone's beginner at the very start of karate, and it's too easy to say, I can't do that. If you've got a good instructor and you've got a good class to go to, and you start believing in yourself, you can do things, you can achieve them. So if somebody wants to punch you straight on the nose, if you can block it and you learn to block it, and you're no longer thinking, panic and twitch, you can just block. And this is a strong block. It's a right angle block, straight down. There's no muscle tension, it's just believing in it. And if that can take it away and take that hand away from hitting you, you now have more confidence. And the thing about karate is each time you do something small is achievable goals. So if you were liking that to a golfer, and you can putt once and you can put it in the hole, well, if you can do it once, you can do it twice, you can do it 3 times, you can do it 4 times. So if you can block and then counter punch, and that pushes the person away, that not only gives you a greater confidence, but it also gives that opponent or somebody wanting to put you down, dismiss you, make you feel bad, give you those anxiety, give you that stress, give you that self-worth or self-doubt. You can think, no, actually, I'm another level higher. So block it, push it away, push it away, push it away. So you're getting rid of something. And it's setting safe, sensible boundaries. You're setting a space around you. No, this is my space, my thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, the world's emotions shouldn't affect you. It's a huge topic, and how do I cover this in a small space of time? I'm trying to give you examples. Somatic energy is about releasing and moving and shifting trapped trauma energy. Just by gentle movements, like I say, blocking, we're now giving you confidence to hold space within you, and you're becoming aware of your body. So if somebody keeps punching at you, do the same block every time. You then work out the timing. Is that too slow? Is it too fast? If you block too high, is the punch going to go underneath? You have to block it and take it up. So you're beginning to get feedback, and it's a reassurance that you're doing something right. It's very difficult to find something that when we're very aware of our own bodies. We're not sure where we're breathing from. Morning. We're not sure how we're doing everything. So doing karate or a martial art gives you that feedback. So I'm hoping this helps. It's a very difficult subject, but like I say, when you break things down into small chunks, achievable chunks, we can achieve anything. So I put my videos up to highlight my imperfections and to see if I've got any improvements. I'm not as young as I used to be. I don't train as regularly as I used to. I train for myself, but it's about perfection of oneself, not anything else. I'm not competing against anybody, just me. So having that confidence to hold my own space gives me the confidence to hold my own space outside of me, into the environment, into dangerous areas, into uncomfortable situations, be it social or anything else. So when you believe in yourself, when you can actually do small things, then we can take things forward a hell of a long way. I'd say give it a try. Reach out and let me know. I'm not going to start teaching karate to anybody straight away, but it's the somatic training. It's the small stuff that when we break it down, it is achievable. I also do lots of cycling, and the cycling is for me, again, take that to another scenario. If you haven't, this hasn't made sense, think, if you're cycling, can I get up this hill? Can I cycle up the hill? Well, don't cycle up the whole thing. Cycle up to the tree, the lamppost, the next car, one small step at a time. And, before you know it, you've reached the whole blimmin' hill, and that feel-good factor then comes back into yourself. Everything's doable if we set our mind to it, and mindset is everything. Don't listen to the voices. We are self-critical. I'm the biggest self-critic of myself, and just keep trying. I don't need anyone else to say that was rubbish or do that again. By doing my training, the somatic exercises, the movements, you can feel if it's right, if it's wrong. It should be effortless, it should just flow. Karate isn't about, it starts off as about rock hard, solid aggression, but it's not, it's flow. And it should be movement, it should be fluid, and it shouldn't be aggressive. I probably rambled on too long, but please reach out, please keep showing up, doing what you're doing, whatever it takes. Be it you paint, you dance, you do music, you walk, just keep connecting and find what makes you happy, and when you feel it, then stick with it and keep going. I'll say ciao for now, and I hope this helps. Let me know any feedback. Rob Evans, FTE. Ciao for now.